subscribe Natural Health Plus. Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Here is most effective tip to remove underarms hair without any pain in 15 minutes. There are unpleasant hair on the body that everyone often wants to get rid of. However, the problem of removing hair can be more complicated than it could seem from the first look. That is why we are going to talk about the most effective and interesting ways of removing underarms hair. Forget about pain with these effective tips. There are a few removal techniques we want to discuss today. They are well known, but at the same time, we need to mind them to be able to compare them and choose the most appropriate for you. The first one is shaving. It is the most effective, always available, cheap and easy way of removal. However, it does not give permanent effects. With recent store-bought product, we can achieve more long-lasting effects. The second one is tweezing. This procedure can provide a more permanent effect of hair removal than shaving. However, tweezing is very painful than shaving and can be applied more for facial hair than underarm hair. The third one is waxing. Waxing provides a semi-permanent effect and the result can last for a few weeks. The main secret of this technique is to remove hair in the opposite of hair growth direction. Another important thing is to apply only hot wax. This technique is the most painful and can damage your skin if you do it wrongly. Turmeric is one of the most important ingredient of any hair removing mask. It becomes much easier to achieve appropriate result if turmeric is used in combination with baking soda. Try this mask and we hope that underarms hair will stop being the annoying problem.